Hello! My first Enduro track day ever. We had like really nice weather the last week here in Sweden, but now of course the day we're supposed to go, it's like 2 Celsius. We had snow yesterday, so it's gonna be slippery and wet and cold. This is my life lottery. I'm supposed to live like this in Sweden in this cold shitty weather. I guess it is what it is. Also the tickets to Gotland National is booked. The bike is getting ready. I changed the springs in the front this Friday and I just set up the suspension, go back to standard and just a little bit softer, and went out and tested. It was much better. Before I really felt that the front springs was way too hard when it was bouncing. So that's really good. So we're gonna go load the bike, or the bike is already loaded. We're gonna load the trailer, hit that track and see what happens, because there is for sure some technique and cardio missing before the competition. Maybe I'm gonna take this. Do I need a chest mount? Yeah, we'll see. Here we can see the springs which I changed from. This is too stiff. Also remove 2 plastic spacers in the front. And this I have here because I'm gonna do headlight delete. I'm gonna build a black bracket here. Maybe put some sticker and something. Also order a blue plastic kit because I want this blue. Because I think it's from 2021 to 2026. All of this is blue on Yamaha. So this white one just looks old. Also I think it's just ugly. I want a blue one with a headlight delete. Let's go!
In the land of the north, where the wind still cries, where the old gods sleep and the raven flies, there's a fire in our hearts, a storm in our veins. The blood of the Vikings still remains. Hey ho!
If you also struggle with the choice of the transport of the bike, when this video is over you can just click my next video and I show you why I choose this trailer over a van, and yeah, why it's just a perfect solution for me.
Spirit of the North will carry us home.
So here it is. I think this is probably still wet after the test ride. Yeah, nice. And this also. All wet. And the boots also all wet. I need to mount the headlight.
Through the ages we came, through the steel and flame, changed our names and our clothes, but we stayed the same. On the city streets or the mountainside, the song of the ancients still survives. Hey ho, we never died. Hey ho, we are alive in the hearts of a...
More passion, more energy.
The spirit of the North will carry us home.
One thing that I know I have to practice on is to keep my sight high. Because I think it's the same with everyone. You tend to look at your front wheel when you're not really comfortable when driving. So it's really I need to think about it like all the time. Rise my vision, rise my sight. So that I'm gonna practice on. Also, I need to practice to standing up while driving. I only ridden like motocross before, and at motocross you sit a lot more. But with enduro you feel that you go faster when standing up. So I need to...
We are echoes of the old, in the young and in the old. We were born of frost and flame, and we'll rise again.
Jaha. Ja.
Hallå?
Gud, det känns att man är ovan.
Och fingrarna, hur fan kallt det var. Jag hade fan ingen känsla i fingrarna.
Jaså?
Och de är blöt handskarna. Det var skoj.
Det var jävligt kul.
Ja.
Vad var det för handskar på då?
Som cykelhandskar.
Ja, det blir kallt där.
exhausted and done. We did 7 laps and it was about 9 minutes each lap. So what is it? Just above 1 hour of driving time, which is pretty good for being the first time. I'm happy with it. And I can feel it in my body, especially in the legs and arms. I'm not gonna update you every training I do, because that's not a fun update. Maybe I can do, if I made 5 trainings, then I get a few clip every each, or if I do something special, like going and do some special training somewhere, I don't know, then I can show you. But leave a comment, is it fun to follow my progression and everything for the Gotland Grand National, the final race? And also we're thinking of do this Swedish Classic, which contains 3 races. So Gotland Grand National is the last one, and then you do 2. I think it's 1 in June, 1 in August or something. So I think that should be fun. Also I do some training besides the driving part, because now I put so much money into this and so much time, so I want to do the best of it. I haven't started training in a cardio because I think it's so boring, but I'm gonna do it. I need to get out and run and stuff. Also, I feel like I want to buy a new touring bike, adventure bike, maybe Tenere Africa Twin or something. I don't know. I can feel it in my fingers. I want to have something new. I hope you found this quite fun, and thanks for watching. Until next time. And look the weather we got. Nice with spring here in Sweden.